Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queen. Today we're gonna make some elf shoes using brown Amazon bags. I did draw out a template on white computer paper first. That way both shoes were the same size and shape. Then I used that piece of computer paper to trace around onto the brown Amazon bag. These are gonna be stuffed with cotton balls, so we need 4 total pieces, 2 for each shoe. And don't forget the crown shapes. You'll need 4 of those as well. Those are gonna connect the sock to the shoe. So after all is said and done, you'll have 4 total brown Amazon shoes and 4 total crown looking thingies to connect the shoes to the socks. Then it's time to pull apart some stuffing. I use cotton balls, but you can use polyfill or whatever you like. The cotton balls are gonna stuff the shoe part. For the sock part, they're just gonna be flat, so we just glued those down. So you're gonna start gluing the cotton balls down a little section at a time if you're using hot glue. I did be sure to stay away from the edge. That way I can still glue the sides together. So once your cotton balls are in, you're going to glue the 2 sides together. Go slow, do small sections at a time. That way your hot glue is not cooling while you're trying to take the time to line it up properly. So once you're all done, this is what it looks like. Then we're gonna take some Mod Podge on a foam brush and we'll cover one entire side with this, including the edges. Then we'll crinkle up some tissue paper a few times. So crinkle up, unfold, crinkle up, unfold. Then rip it into strips. Make sure the strips are long enough to go over the sides, because the entire purpose of this is to cover those sides of the Amazon envelope that have styrofoam coming out. You're going to do this process throughout the entire shoe. You can add additional Mod Podge as you go if needed, especially for the pieces that overlap. After all the tissue paper is on there and it's touched up and it's going to stay in place, then you want to dry what you have. This project is going to be super wet by this point. And now it's time to flip it over and do the same thing on the back side. So Mod Podge, tissue paper, dry. It's best to let this sit overnight. Then you can assemble the crown shapes, add paint, antiquing wax, and any embellishments. I hole punched mine since they're ornaments, and they were all ready for my tree, y'all. Look how stinking cute these turned out. A little time consuming, but well worth it in the end. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Happy holidays, and we will see you again soon. Bye.